Hello to all my higalas and welcome back to our channel. And today is a great day, it's a brand new day. In today's video, I would like to share to you my DIY mirror YouTube play button. I will make a DIY for myself, and I hope this video will help you guys, and I will provide the materials you need, the tools to be needed, and how it works and how to be made. Let's go and let's get started. Okay guys, this is the items you need to make this one YouTube mirror play button, like this. As you see, is the mirror, and here is the back side, here is the front. Okay, first you need meter. Next, for measuring, next is the cutter, glass cutter. This next is double-sided tape. Next is a blade, a scissor, a pencil, and ruler. And this one is from the tape, measuring tape that has been old and damaged, like this one. I removed this one. Improvised hook. Next is glass sanding, like sander to make the glass like this. You cannot, for the safety purpose. Next is also the mirror, glass mirror, and eco bag, old eco bag, used eco bag, damaged. You see that damaged eco bag? You can use it. You can use to be a background of your YouTube play button. Choose a red because the YouTube is signature color is red. And next is also you need a clear glass for your background of your YouTube play button, and also a piece of carton to make your layout pattern or mirror. Okay, first you make a layout. Also, you may check the internet, the logo of the YouTube, like this one. You can browse it, you can search it, the logo of the YouTube. And first step, you have to lay out your YouTube logo. You can measure it, and according to your want, you can measure like this and make a layout. And for the corners, you need this circle for the edges, like this. This for the logo itself. The logo is done, and you can make any you want for the design of your glass. Maybe like here, put a crack like that, maybe like that, like that, maybe here or here, maybe here. Tips for the design: you can make the design of this one like this, for example. You need, this one is too difficult to cut. You need to make a line over here like this one for the edges, one for the cutting to be make easier. Or maybe you can go over here, yep, and you start to cut this one by a blade or a scissor. And now I have cut all the pattern of this one. I make a marker on it so that you can easily recognize where the position is was. Now it's the time to cut the glass, and this is how the glass cut. Make sure you have your pattern, and make sure the logo is on the top, because the mirror side is on the top and the other side is the backing of the glass. You can make a pattern like this. You go into the other side like that and make some edges of the blade. You can go here like that, if you see that. That you can easily manage to see the pattern. If you see that, you can easily make a line or a guide for your cutting. Now it's time to cut your glass. First, cut the glass over here, cut, and make some edges. Make sure to follow the line of the glass. Like that. Then grab a guide or a ruler. This one. Now your pattern is finished, like this one or this one. The pattern is good and aligned. Now you can do it to the other guide. Simple steps, and you repeat the same procedure of this one. To all my higalas, you can continue to work in your progress, and then you, if you finish to pattern this one like this, you can use this sanding glass, or call it in Tagalog is bairan or Bisaya. You can scratch this one at the edges so that the glass will not be harm you. Try it all corners like that. And I'd like to recommend to you guys that you use a gloves if you work like this on a glass. If you touch the glass, you always use a proper gloves. You can use your glass, clear glass, to pattern the logo, just like that. And then you place your glass mirror on the top of the pattern, the cartoon, so that you can trace it and you can make a layout of it. And then next is the step of the making the glass stick in the clear glass. The mirror is sticking to the clear glass. You can use the double-sided tape like this. You can use a scissor. But just be careful to use a scissor. And then you can put in the back of the mirror, so that you can have a sticky pad, and you remove the white side or the paper side, and then the double-sided tape will stick to the mirror, just like that. And then you carefully place the mirror, the pattern you made. Just make maybe a number of this one so that you can easily order or place it the mirror, just like that. Just like that. Next, if the backing of the logo, just like this, can get the eco bag. Easily turn back side, and you just put like this one. That you can use the same all the double-sided tape to stick to the glass like this. Just stick like that. Just be careful not to show your double-sided tape outside of the. Okay, you remove this one. Then you can stick the. Just like that, and then cut all the edges if you finish to go that. Just like that. Cut all the edges of the eco bag, and then the last part is the hook, and you can cut the desired place like that, and then you put some silicone on this. Put this one until the finished product is like this. You can also use the other side so that it can give support of the frame. It can give support if the wall hit to the surface, it just leveled. You can put this one and this one, optional. So dry this in 3 to 5 hours, and you're good to go. And this is the finished product of my DIY mirror YouTube play button. So you can see it is, for me it's nice, and it's nice to get into the wall, and you can make your own DIY mirror YouTube play button. So you can easily get the items of this from the scratch. And thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, you can like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can easily get the latest update of my video. I'm sorry for not uploading for many long time because I'm getting busy, but I try my best to make new videos of my vlog. I make this video English vlog so that my other subscriber can understand my message to them and can easily recognize my YouTube channel. And hope you like this video, and shout out to these persons, and thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. And that's all for today. Today to all my higalas out there, and